Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This painting looks very similar to the previous one. When I painted that on the sketchbook, I thought that it would look a lot better on the larger canvas with texture. Hence, Impasto it is today. I'll be using a size 0 palette knife for the whole painting, and a heavy body medium to mix with the acrylic paint for the texture. I just realized, out of 300 over videos, this is my first time painting fishes. My favorite one is actually the arowana, but koi fishes are more eye-catching for colourful pondscapes. Since the Lunar New Year is around the corner as well, perhaps a little prosperity fishes would be a great addition to the house. Subtle sales pitch. I thought a lot about the number of fishes. 8 is known as a number that represents wealth, luck and prosperity, which the Asians love. I went with 7 fishes instead because what could be more prosperous than God's favorite number? In the scriptures, 7 symbolizes completion or perfection. Genesis tells us that God created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, and upon completion, God rested on the 7th day. Based on this cycle of work and rest, God commands us to also labor for 6 days and then complete the week by resting on the 7th day, the day God set apart as the Holy Sabbath. In addition, King David referenced the number 7 in describing the perfect nature of God's words when he wrote that the Lord's words are flawless, like gold refined 7 times. Likewise, when the prophet Isaiah described the coming Messiah, he listed 7 qualities that the Savior would embody. Anyway, I love how this painting turned out, especially the texture of it, which looks a lot better up close in person. As you can see, what I like to do is to sketch out the placing of the lily pads, fishes and swirls first, then paint a thin layer of it so I'll get a rough idea of how the painting will look like, and also to see if the colors will gel together. To create the texture of the water, I'm using just the sharp tip of the palette knife. This part is a little tedious but rewarding when the texture comes through. Another tip is to go section by section, as you'll need the paint to be wet when you try to blend in the colors, especially with thick paint. The strokes of the knife are important as it dictates the flow of the water. I hope you like this painting. It is listed on Etsy and can be landscaped both ways, vertically and horizontally. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
Some ancient call that I've answered before. It lives in my walls, and it's under the floor. If this was meant for me, why does it hurt so much? And if you're not made for me, why did we fall in love? Knock at my door. I thought I was alone, unaware of what I thought I needed. I dropped like a stone. If I'm not mistaken, then I was the last to know. And if you return for me, I'd never want for more. There's something in the wind, I can feel it blowing in. It's coming in softly on the wings of a bomb. This lately I've been thinking it's just someone else's drive to get who am I to sympathize when no one gave a damn. I've been thinking it's just someone else's drive to get who am I to wanna try. But lately I've been thinking it's just someone else's drive to get who am I to sympathize when no one gave a damn. I've been thinking it's just someone else's job to get, 'cause I'm not to wanna try. But change is a powerful thing. People are powerful beings trying to find the power in me to be faithful. Change is a powerful thing. I feel it coming in me. Maybe by the time summer's done, I'll be able to be lately. I've been thinking it's just someone else's job to get who am I to sympathize when no one gave a damn. I've been thinking it's just someone else's job to get who am I to wanna try. But lately I've been thinking it's just someone else's job to get who am I to sympathize when no one gave a damn. I've been thinking it's just someone else's job to get, 'cause I'm not to wanna try. But lately I've been thinking it's just someone else's job to get who am I to sympathize when no one gave a damn. I've been thinking it's just someone else's job to get who am I to wanna try. But some ancient call that I've answered before, it lives in my walls and it's under the floor. If this was meant for me, why does it hurt so much? And if you're not made for me, why did we fall in love? Knock at my door, I thought I was alone.